Testosterone is the key to sexual ability and function for men. Without testosterone, there's no such thing as sexual desire. There's not even an erection. Healthy testosterone levels are also associated with optimal health. Testosterone promotes strong muscles, lean bodies, confident minds, and healthy hearts. The sad thing is that as we get older, testosterone production falls into a state of decline. It starts slowly and imperceptibly, but as men grow older, the issues become more noticeable and more problematic, until they lead to a drastic reduction in quality of life. If you've noticed a significant reduction in sexual libido and performance over recent years, this is likely the result of adult-onset low testosterone, also referred to as andropause. There are many tools at your disposal to treat testosterone deficiency, one of which is prescription testosterone cream. Not too long ago, the only way to receive testosterone therapy was via testosterone injection. Injections are safe and work incredibly well, but many people are needle phobic or turned off by the stigma associated with injections. Testosterone creams are experiencing a surge in popularity because they are easy to use and also very discreet. Some of the testosterone replacement creams and gels available on the pharmaceutical market are Testim, Fortesta, Axiron, and Androgel. One of the biggest things that draw men to testosterone therapy is restored sexual function and potency. An extinct sex drive is one of the top contributors to unhappy marriages and relationships everywhere, and testosterone therapy can help aging men regain the spark associated with a happy and loving relationship. Frequently, sexual dysfunction has little to do with the relationship itself, and everything to do with your hormones. With testosterone creams, you can experience a number of sexual benefits. For example, men with healthy testosterone levels have stronger and healthier orgasms. They also have sex far more frequently than their counterparts with low testosterone. Testosterone is the trigger for sexual desire, encouraging the body to generate an erection. When testosterone levels are too low, there's simply no way to reliably produce an erection, which causes sexual dissatisfaction. Men with exceedingly low testosterone levels may not even be able to produce an erection at all. Though it's easy to dwell on the immense sexual benefits associated with testosterone gels and creams, it's important to recognize that testosterone plays an influential role in overall quality of life and wellness, even when sexual function isn't considered. For the male body to maintain peak physiological function, healthy testosterone levels are absolutely necessary. Many dangerous health issues are associated with low testosterone, including heart attack, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's, osteoporosis, and hypertension. Testosterone promotes bone health by helping to maintain bone mineral density. It helps preserve strength and energy levels by promoting the formation and maintenance of muscle mass. The mechanisms which support healthy muscles also protect the heart and cardiovascular system by enhancing metabolism and moderating cholesterol concentrations. Testosterone therapy has also been shown to improve sleep quality and preserve and enhance joint health. All of these benefits combine to bolster the wellness and vitality of the patient. There are men across the United States that have turned to testosterone therapy with great success. It's quite common for guys to proclaim that low T treatment provides truly life-changing results. Low T creams are applied once every day, usually in the morning. They are massaged into the skin of the thighs, arms, stomach, or back, depending upon the particular formulation. Because the testosterone treatment takes time to be absorbed into the skin, the area where the testosterone is applied should be kept under cover for around 2 hours, or as directed, to prevent accidental cross-contamination. Testosterone should be applied to dry skin, and skin should not be exposed to water until the cream has had time to fully absorb into the skin. For this reason, you should never apply testosterone immediately before showering, swimming, or vigorous activity. If you are interested in restoring your sexual vitality with topical testosterone, or just safeguarding your health by restoring hormonal balance, we would be happy to assist you. We are a licensed and board-certified hormone clinic which specializes in age-related hormone imbalance. We provide treatment to men and women of at least 30 years of age, anywhere in the United States. If you'd like to speak with one of our hormone specialists, we encourage you to fill out the form on our website, which you can access with the link in the description below. We can also set up an appointment for a free phone consultation, or just call us at the number you see on the website. With testosterone creams, there's no reason to live with low testosterone. Get prescription testosterone today. Thank you for watching.